So now we are inside the Trello board, as you can see, and now let's work around with lists and cards, which are the main focus of Trello boards. So over here, this is a blank Trello board. So over here, once you go on to the first section, you can see a button called Add a List. So you can simply click over here and name the list. So I'm just going to go around and say brainstorming, just like this, and click on Add List. And then let's say I'm going to go for script. So let's say this is going to be something like a short movie project. So I'm going to add script. And then after script, I'm going to say storyboard, just like this. After storyboard, I'm going to add in animatics, just like this. And after animatics, I'm going to add in, let's say for example, shooting, just like this. So similarly, I can keep on adding in more lists. And over here under each of the lists, you can add in cards. So cards are like a subtopic. So you can go around and type in the card. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and type in scene 1. So scene 1, brainstorming for scene 1, brainstorming for scene 2. Let's say, for example, scene 2, brainstorming for scene 3, just like this, and brainstorming for scene 4 right over here. So then let's say, for example, you can work around with the script now and you can add in more scenes there as well. So over here, once the brainstorm is complete, you can move on this scene 1 to script 2. Now we know that script 1 is in progress and brainstorming 3 scenes is still in brainstorming process. You can simply grab around right over here. You can also add a card just like this. So let's say, for example, if I want to go around, shooting, let's say, is in scene 1 process. So scene 2 is in animatics. Scene 3 is in animatics as well. Scene 4 right here. So I can go around and add in scene 5 directly, or you can add in anything that is happening right here. I'm just going to go around, type in scene 6, just like this. I'm going to add card, scene 7, just like this. And I'm going to go around and say scene 8, so SCENE 8, and I'm going to go around and say scene 9, just like this. So just like that, what the collaborators can do is move around the scene right over here. Let's say, for example, scene 6 is complete or scene 7 is complete, and move that back and forth. And what you can do is share this along with many of the team members, and they know what is happening. And this is the basic workflow of a Trello board. And that is how you can work with list and card creation and management inside of a Trello board. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.